Hi, you are welcome in IoT learning series. Today we will make a mini project that is Smart Irrigation System. So we will implement our project in Proteus software. So let's start this video. First of all, you have to just open Proteus software. So you have to create a new project that is Smart Irrigation System. So you have to click on new project. It will throw an pop-up and it will ask for the name of project, and you have to type here Smart Irrigation System and click on the next and finish this pop-up, and it will open a workspace area for your project. And you have to move on component mode to select the required boards and sensor. For this project, just we required a soil moisture sensor. That is, what is the work of soil moisture sensor? Soil moisture sensor will measure the moisture level present in the soil of your field. So we required ESP8266 board that will just upload the data on IoT platform. First of all, here you have to choose component mode. One more thing we required for irrigation system, we just required a pump that will control by switch from IoT platform. So we required three components. For that purpose we need to search here. So first of all, search for node MCU board. Here you will get an option for node MCU and click on OK. So it will get added in your devices list. Again click on pick devices and search for soil moisture sensor. Here you will get an option for soil moisture sensor. So you have to choose soil moisture and click on OK option. It will get added in your devices list. Again we have to click on pick devices and type here for motor. First we have to just type search here for pump, that is not available here. So just you type for motor only, because pump is also a DC motor. So click on OK and it will get added in your devices list. Now just we have to click on node MCU board and it will just get added in your workspace area. Now it's turn to just make circuit with your sensors. So pick soil moisture sensor in your workspace area and you have to just make connections with soil moisture. So drop here your soil moisture and according to the labeled pin you have to just make connection with node MCU board. As you can see, you will get an option for power supply here. So connect VCC to the VCC pin of your node MCU board, that is 3 volt. The specification of system is not too good, that's why it getting hang. As you can see, the VCC of soil moisture sensor is connected to the 3 volt of your node MCU board, and now you have to connect ground with the ground of node MCU. So make connection carefully and you have to just implement this connection physically in your node MCU board and soil moisture sensor. Now connect A0 pin of ESP8266 board with analog pin of soil moisture sensor. So make connection as I have explained in the Proteus software. So this is connected now. Now we have to just interface motor with ESP8266 board. So just we need to choose motor from devices list, and you have to add here on pin number D0. You can connect it on any digital or GPIO pin. So I am connecting motor on D0 pin. Connect other terminal of motor with ground of node MCU board. So the connection is completed. Now you have to just make motor connection with motor driver. In real life, the motor will not run with directly node MCU board. So you have to use here L293D motor driver, and you have to make the soil moisture connection exactly as I have make in Proteus software. So the connection is completed now. It's time to move in Blink IoT platform. So open your browser and log in your Blink IoT. So the home page will be open here, and you have to just click on add new template. Here you have to write Smart Irrigation, that is your project name. And in hardware section you have to choose ESP8266 and click on done. Now we have to move on data stream option. Click on add new data stream and click on virtual pin. Here you will get an option for name. So click on soil moisture and you have to choose V0 as virtual pin, and you have to type here the maximum value for your sensor is handed and click on create option. And here as you can see the data stream is created. Again you have to click on new data stream, that is for controlling the DC pump. So you have to click on digital and type here for motor. Choose the pin as 1 and you have to click pin mode as output pin and click on create option. So as you can see here the data stream is created. So click on save option. So the data stream created will be saved in Blink IoT platform. Click on search option. Here you will get an option for add new devices. Click on that and a pop-up will be thrown. Click on from template and choose template as Smart Irrigation. Create, you have to choose on create option. You will be see here the credential related to this project, and you have to just copy this code. Again we need to move just in template option and click on your project, move in web dashboard option. So click on edit option. Here you will get a widget box option. So choose first switch to control the motor, and again search for gauge option. That will be the soil moisture level will be shown here, and as you can see these two options is added in your workspace area. Now you have to click on switch setting option, and here you have to type as motor because we have created a switch for controlling the motor, and click on data stream option. Here you have to choose motor and click on save option, and it will just get saved in your Blink IoT platform. Again you have to click on gauge setting option, and as name you have to type here soil level, and click on data stream option. Here you will get an option for soil moisture, so you have to choose this and click on save option. As you can see, the setting for web dashboard is completed. Click on save and apply option. As you can see, the project for smart irrigation is completed. Now you have to click on search option and click on your project that is created. Click on device information and you will get the credential created for your project, and you will get here an option for click to copy the code. So copy the code from here, and it's time to move just in Arduino IDE software to program your Node MCU board. So just we need to open Arduino IDE. As you can see here, the Arduino IDE is open, and this is the code for your project. You have to replace here, you have to paste the credential that is copied from Blink IoT platform, and you have to just copy the token from here, and you have to paste the token from the credential to the authentication code. So paste here. As you can see, this is the setup for your program. Now as you can see here, the sensor data will be read it from A0 pin of your ESP8266 board, and it will be just written on virtual pin of your Blink IoT, that is V0. So just it's time to upload code in your Node MCU board. So connect your Node MCU board and choose for the right board option, and you have to choose port. Now upload this code in your Node MCU board. Ensure that your Node MCU board should be connected with your laptop or PC, whatever you are using. So it should be connected with your PC with the help of data cable. Now as you can see, the code is compiling and uploading to your Node MCU board. So wait until finish the upload process. Here the upload is completed, so you will get a notification here, done uploading. Now just you have to make the connection as I have made in Proteus software. So just pause the video and make the connection as I have made here. You have to make this connection physically. As you can see, I have made the connection as shown in Proteus software. Instead of motor, I will use just LED to demonstrate this video. So the connection and code, all things is completed. So we need to just move in Blink IoT platform. So open your browser and you have to click on search option. Here you will get your project. As you can see here, your project is online now and soil moisture level is 100%. If you will just dip this sensor in soil, so it will just work perfectly. So first let me show you. To read exact data here, you need to move this sensor in soil. So you have to just dip this sensor in soil and check the data shown here. Now it's turn to just check the motor. Now I will just see you the demonstration for motor. As I have told you that instead of motor, I will just use LED to demonstrate this video. So whenever the soil moisture level is too low, just you have to turn on motor to increase the soil moisture. So for that purpose you need to just turn on motor. Let's check it. As you can see here, when we turn on motor, your LED is glowing perfectly, and if you just make it turned off, your LED get turned off. So here you can just control your motor. In this way, the project for smart irrigation system is completed. Now you can make this project to control the level of moisture in your field. Thanks for your patience.